Are you guys ready for my final project using the graduation collection? Well, here it is. I have made some gift card holders. This was from a tutorial from Letty of Party Planner Papery. And actually, when we did a retreat, she did this for a class. And it was fabulous. It was easy to do. And look at these. So let me show you. And do I have a gift card? Let me see what I can find. All right, so I found a gift card and put it inside. So we've got a sticker on the front. I have Velcro closures. Don't want to use magnets because I don't want to use magnets with a gift card. So these are Velcro closures. And then here is the gift card. Now I added just a little element in there just so you can't read the number because I think there's a couple bucks left. In this one, I put a little room so you could write, congratulations, grad from Aunt Becky or whatever you want to do. And then that closes like that. And then there's this happy graduation sticker on the back. So just a couple of different, see, room here to put your little gift card. That one, room to write. Some have room to write, some don't. I just was using up all the rest of my scraps. And then, of course, with graduation, that is appropriate. And I don't honestly think I'm going to put these in the Etsy shop. I was going to put, $5 for whatever price. But actually, if anyone buys my graduation albums, I'm just going to send them for free. See, this was a cut apart, and that's perfect for that. You put the gift card there, and it's just wonderful. There's the back, reach for the stars. The front says reach for the stars. Congratulations, room here to write, says grad. The thing I liked about this collection is the graphics on here were fabulous. But I have made so many graduation projects, so if you've been watching my videos and you've seen those graduation projects, you're probably tired of me saying that, but it really was cool. So I think I made about 12. Somebody had already bought some graduation albums, so I sent them out. But that is what I have for you. I will put the link in the description of Letty's video so you can go check it out and make your own. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.